y'all, my name is Jenny. Here today I'm going to show you a makeup look that I am going to be trying for the first time. I haven't tried this look. I already did my eyebrow, one of them. So I'm going to show you how I do my other brow here. So I like to fill the front of my brows in first. And when I kind of like shape it. Light strokes is enough. So I'm going to shape out my brow with the concealer here. I have a lighter concealer just to highlight the brow there. And then this is just gonna help with it, clean up the shape. I learned in makeup, like, you can't be heavy-handed. Like, you gotta be real, like, particular. And y'all, this is too much concealer up here, but all right, y'all, so I already primed my eyes just with some concealer. So I'm just gonna go with this light pink nude shade here and just buff it out on my upper lid here. You already get to see how pretty the color is. Just warming up my eye. Going with a darker shade, starting from the back and going in. I'm just gonna pat that in to start. Then I'm gonna take like a nude eyeshadow and just put it on my brow here. Just get rid of that sharp line, that sharp white line. Then I'm gonna go in with this orange here. It's like a light orange because this is too purpley for me. So it's gonna help blend that color out a little bit. Let's start off with a little color. So that color I used to warm up my eyelid, I'm putting it under my eyelid as well. Then I'm going with that darker purple, putting it under here. And now I'm going to take some lighter concealer and just throw a little on my lid here to help bring out the color that I want to add on there. Not too much. And now I'm just going to blend out this concealer, get rid of any like sharp lines. Using the colourpop palette as well, called Fade into Hue. So I'm gonna go in with that color called Hot, H-A-U-T-E. And just wanna pat that in there. Ooh. And I like to go up a little. It's given Maleficent. That's what it's given. Then I'm taking that same green and I'm just gonna put it right here. So it's like a pop. Now for the eyeliner, I have this eyeliner here by Revlon. I'm just going to line my eye just really light because I'll be adding lashes. So I don't need nothing dramatic. The greens, anything greens and purple is dramatic. It's like screams dramatic to me, so I don't want to give it any extraness. So I'm just going to just do a small line. Taking some foundation and I'm going to put it on there. Get my brush and blending it all in. Now to highlight my face, I'm just using just some concealer. It's maybe a little too light, but I'm just gonna go in with the lighter one. Just for these areas, not under my eye, because I don't want to look like a ghost. Go in here with the highlighter, just really small right here. Make that sharp. Take a brush and blend it here. Blend it out really good. You want no sharpness when it comes to blending out the concealer. I had to learn that. So sometimes I fall short because sometimes my lines look a little sharp and you can actually see my highlight. So I'm just blending that like that here. And immediately when I'm done blending this in, I'm going to set it. Now I'm taking my damp sponge here, taking that powder, loose powder by Maybelline to do the rest of my eye, to set the rest of my eye. Putting that powder on my nose as well, on my forehead. All right, now to contour my face, I have a cream contour palette from Sephora. I'm running out of contours. I need to get some new gel contour. Please, in the comments, let me know what are some good contour sticks. I want to invest in that next. Just a little bit at the top. I'm gonna blend all this out. I'm just going to blend out my contour on my nose with a sponge. And I'm going to set my contour a little, just with bronzer. I like bronzer. Now I'm adding some blush here from my Morphe palette. Just little dabs I like to do, and then I'll blend it out. Alright y'all, last but not least, I'm adding my lip here. It's just a brown lip liner from Sephora, gel liner. They have the best liners. A little expensive, 20 bucks, but the gel liners, I find they stay really good. So I have this butter gloss by NYX. It's really pretty. The color's called Praline. I love gloss. Let me know in the comments, are y'all team gloss or team lip gloss or team lipstick? Gloss or lipstick? Hey, so this is the after look. I really like it a lot. The green is really bold, more bold than I expected. I really like how it turned out. So even my brows, If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. I'll be coming through with more looks, send tips. Please, I love to talk to y'all and hear from y'all. So thanks for checking me out. See you next time. So for this look, because it was so like Halloween-ish type of feel, I am going to add in a spider web, and I'm going to attach a picture to that. This will be my first time trying spooky look, so I'm excited. Let me know what you guys think.